Guys, welcome back again. As you can see, we have two Jimmy Choos to look at. Let's see what we have here and see if we like this. I got this package and I just want to look at each of them together with you. So the first one, I have the dust bag. And these are the things we have here. The stones are finely placed. This is burgundy suede material. It's got to mature in here. And this runs small. This is not 100% finely made. As you can see, the knot out there. But if you're willing to spend less to get this, then fine. But this is not mirror quality. As you can see, it's just a manageable replica. If you want to have this for a low price, that's the thing. If you could work with this, that's fine. I think when you put this on, nobody sees how much, like nobody sees anything wrong with this. So we're just going to look at the second pair as well. I have a dust bag. For me, this was better because we don't get to see so much fault on this than the other one. And if you got wide feet, I think this is going to work for those people with wide feet. We also have Jimmy Choo written at the back. This is what we have here. I think we could see for an affordable price, this is just a good buy. If you're willing to spend much more, then you can as well, like I mean. So this is what we have. We have, if you want to go for a sandals look, then you could as well purchase this. And if you want to go for a palm look, you could just get this. any of them would do the job for you. As for me, I got both. So maybe after the party, I could wear this and wear this for some other time. So everything will be linked in the description if you want to get this pair.